Hello friends, are you one of those who wish you had your own stunning, professional looking website? Or you already have one but it doesn't thrill or engage you? Well, let me show you where and how to create one for free. Here, Wix is the one-stop solution to build an awesome looking website in a simple, easy and fun way. With the innovative drag and drop website builder and hundreds of templates to choose from, you can customize anything you want that fits your profession. Just click on Start Now to get started. The purpose of Wix.com website is to create a stunning and professional looking website for free, all by yourself. Before starting designing, we will have a quick look on a website we are about to design. We are going to design a website of a hobby photographer, Vijay Kumar, who wants to display his portfolio on his website. So this will be his first page, which is About. Then we will click on the portfolio, and the third page is Contact. So friends, let's go ahead and design a similar website in Wix. Once you have opened the browser, you have to type www.wix.com in our address bar and then press enter. You can see that the website is open. Now we will click on Sign In. Now let's enter the email address we have already registered. Then click on Password and enter the password. Now uncheck Remember Me and then click on Login. The welcome page is open. You get a button Create Your Website. We will click on it. Now here you have to select an option of the type of website you want to create. We will click on Photography. After clicking on it, you get different templates of photography websites. Scroll down and select the one you want. You can browse the designs on other pages also. Yes, we will select this design, that is Landscape Photographer. We can simply view the template, or we can directly click on Edit and start editing. We will click on Edit. Please wait while it is loading. Now here you get a welcome screen which says Welcome to Wix. For now, we will click on Close instead of clicking on Start Now. Yes, the editing user interface is displayed. Let's click on Pages drop down. Here you get option of the pages which are by default included in the website. We will first delete the other pages. You can also add pages by clicking on Add Page. For now, we will simply delete the pages we don't want. For that, you have to click on three dots and then click on Delete. Again click on Delete. Now let's click on the pages and see what it includes. This is the About page. This is the Portfolio page. The next page is Clients. The next page is Contact. Now we don't want the client page, so we'll click on the three dots and then click on Delete. Again click on Delete. We will also delete the home page. As you can see, the home icon is automatically shifted to About page as we have deleted the home page. Once we have done with the pages, let's go ahead and edit those. We will change the images. To do so, first we will change the background image. We will click on Background and then we will click on Image. Now we will click on Upload Images. We will select the background image and then click on Open. Please wait till it gets uploaded. Now click on Done. Now you can select the image and then click on Change Background. Now we will click on Apply to other pages as well. Click on All Pages and then click on Close. Once we have changed the background, we will click on Close. Now it's time to change the image on the About page. Now let's click on the next page for editing. We will click on the Pages drop down and then click on Contact page. You can see that the image is replaced. Now it's time to upload our portfolio images. So let's click on Pages drop down and then click on Portfolio. Click on Close. Now here we have to change all the previously uploaded images. To do so, click on Image and then click on Manage Media. Now here we will click on Select All and then click on Delete. Click on Add Media, then click on Image and then click on Upload Images. Now you can select all the images you want in your slideshow, so we will click on Control and select all the images we want. Click on Open. Please wait till the images are uploading. You can also upload all the images you want in one stroke. Now you can select the image you want to be displayed in your slideshow. We can uncheck the images we don't want. Now we will click on Apply. You can add the title, description and link if you want. For now, we will simply click on Close. After uploading all the images, it's time to make the textual changes in all the pages. We will start with the home page. To do so, we will click on Pages drop down and then click on About. Now here, we will change the name and the content. We will also change the name at the bottom and the copyright information below the name. As far as the text is concerned, we have already kept our text ready in our Word file. We will simply copy and paste the text. We will select the text, double click on it and then paste it. Now we will click on the name, select the name and then type to change the name. Now we will click outside. Now here we will change the copyright information. After completing editing, we will simply close the window. Then click outside. Now we will change the name at the bottom. We will close the window and then click outside. Yes, you can see that we have changed the text as per our requirement. You can change the text on the contact page similarly as we did earlier. You can add social links by clicking on the Facebook, Twitter and Gmail account by simply clicking on it. For now, we will simply click on Close. Once we have done with changing the images and text, it's time to publish the website. Before publishing, you also have an option to preview the website. Let's go ahead and preview the website. To do so, we will simply click on Preview. Now we will click on Back to Editor. Friends, once you have done editing the website, let's go ahead and publish the website. To do so, we will click on Publish. You can see the congratulations window is displayed. We will simply click on View Site, which is live online. Once you click on the View Site, you can see your website online. Let's scroll down and click on Portfolio. You can click on Next to load the next image, or else you can simply click on the thumbnail to open the image. So friends, you have seen how easy it is to create your own website with Wix. Go ahead and create your own website of any subject you want.